Hello, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how I sew this beautiful cute swimsuit cover up. It looks like a skirt and I put two slits on the sides, both sides. So these are for the girls who are kinda conservative. So yeah, come and join me. Let's get started. My cloth, I cut it by 60 inches width and 32 inches length. So this one, I folded it into two so that it's easy for me to cut. And then let's sew all the sides. To secure all the sides, I folded it into two again and then start hemming. To put the elastic, figure out which part of the side is for your waistline. So this will be my waist, and I will fold this depending on how thick my elastic is. So just measure and make sure that you put a little allowance so that it's easy for you to insert. You can secure with pins the one that you folded so that you won't get lost, or so that your stitches will be straight and even. Then time to stitch them together. For the elastic, just measure your waistline and cut depending on how tight you want the elastic to be. So this is the kind of pin that I'm using. I don't know what to call this, but this is what I used when I put the elastic inside. After putting the elastic, figure out how big you want the overlap. So just measure, and what I did is I pulled the elastic a bit inside. So something like this. And then later I'm gonna secure it. So that will be my overlapping. Since the elastic is inside, we'll secure it using a zigzag stitch. Actually, stitch both sides. So like this. Now let's sew this together. Just don't forget, guys, to really stretch the elastic so that you will have a nice output. Here it is. It's done, and this side, this is the opening. This is where we did the overlapping. And then suddenly, guys, I realized that I should do another one on this side here. So if you want to overlapping, you can just cut it. So something like this, I just cut it. I cut it and then sew the two sides to secure the seam and just do the overlapping. Just sew them together, same procedure. And here it is. You can now go to the beach or to the swimming pool and enjoy your vacation.